Omwancho muligende Voice of Victory TV na bukwani nande chise chiachabo niganenga kinande tutekurara so asi egikaro kidogo mkemanyikani tugutumike hashtag ya egikaro kia VOV TV Kenya nyuranga namangana tukujaga twalingoli aso imemono tu amanyanga nararia twetanaine twalingoli nabamanyi nakiekorera se studio tubatabageni ase studio totinya ko tukulingoli igoro yengana yobo chenu ubwanya ariko bokoba liswali na sabanto na nene mono ase amangana ndi amanene ase county nyuranga na bako tunyora ase Twitter handle ya studio at VOV TV Kenya gose Facebook fan page igere Voice of Victory TV gose Twitter handle yomogeno mweshimiwa Ben Ntabo at Ben Ntabo. Is that your Twitter handle? Go record ya gesusu at Thompson so at Momani_Janai ase studio. Tuyanga bageni bana ase studio baba kwani ase chinse chigachabo ngabali baturike. Karibu sana ase studio. Karibu sana ase studio. Tutaki guru asoko bakugo kobe tugocha gocha iga. Yeah.
Thompson.
Yeah.
Guru mchigo songo.
Okay. Mheshimiwa
sana.
Yeah.
Sama leta lengo Benson Ombiri. Oma MC we ward ya Gesusu. And then they say county assembly. Inche mo chair we committee ya health.
Okay.
Services county assembly.
All right. Ingana ndira hali anyareko baliko ba asabantu li igoro ntwa mulekere kichinjio kaiga studio chetu bantu bakarabuna gerege chafu una enyamekuru asa chafu inu ayabune chair ya committee ya yobo chenu wono turatebe asi assembly ite akisi is there any progress behind that?
Yante bebe mona sana soko nyari bageri kuchaga asingicho yo kwandela mangana nayo.
Yes.
Litanga litigante benga ne responsibility ye serikali ye county bo akisha kwamba na mazingara ali abananchi bamenyete na ali atakire kulingana n'ibirengo biri bya kiafya kiagera inere kumenene serikali wendo wakishanga abantu bae bamenyete asengicho kumwenderete so litangani ikindi ndo ndatakenga abananchi bamenyenga iyinde jukumu ya serikali wakwaniriro yamangana y'igichinjio.
Yes.
Tigande ndatebanga utatege chinchio yoka ani na utara yini y'igichinjio lakini ya samangana yo wa kiafya kijumla.
Yeah.
Yine jukumu ye county government kiagarande mandate ni county government wakishanga abananchi bagwate services kiri kindonge osimba mita sara chenu atage batware gouvernement inyicherese ringana liye ichinje watebe ritangani tubune committee egasitu no wakishanga egasiri bende bakuru yakore ndwi yakore ibanda abantu mbagwanga nebichinje byo tubikiriri
nenda bego na bera toka mwana kisiwe nini obo cheno ni general in the county
general as a county will say overwide in terms of health
and not only in the town of Kisii but the whole county
the county assembly the county of Kisii generally wono litangani esigi chinju kiliyo sikipate standards.
Yeah. Now mheshimiwa, before we go to standards, I have no mokadi we town ya Kisii Mr. Tom Osoro. Do you think that there is a progress on making ege chinju to look smart? Kera tokonya se town ya Kisii.
Moralia mbiamona kwa letro mageni galero. Njana.
Yes.
Mbirande kwanza twanyalina umwe MCA oito Gesusu ward.
Yes.
Na ile chairman ya health.
Yeah.
So
taranga okira sayo.
Aba na hapo tanga.
Yeah.
Tuwatu kwa ngama ngana ya health ya Kisii county. Kero kuliye mono health ya Kisii county tiyo. Amangana obo chanu bwa Kisii county mbokore deki boyo. Akitwata kamanye omwishimiwa atotebiga. Nama dino bochafu eke chijo kya Kisii county usike chijeke ne kya Busongo ege kuna Slaughter House kire mata lidera chambiri nege sabu kire nere kisabi gekora tendagera ege kwinyama abananchi ba Kisii county babone gutumika
yani nga question nga barabu na abantu bakurigeri batu hakikishere nga barabu mbamanyete nga from their side nga ege chinje kinege safi kereke go supply
nya
well ndiyabona sana ekiagera kuna nango wikira ngonya na tebenga you see a county assembly ya kabiri ya ansega sumuti yunani most of the committee chito they were actually in place by towards the end of December.
Yes.
Then, of course, it will be announced to set the work plan, what we are looking at in terms of priority, like indigenous Kiria Bananchi Barakawiki.
Yeah.
Igobunese committee, Tingo ni internal Kwanangana ki, we are not late. We say Ntumani Tinga Mangana again, we have programs.
Yeah.
Maybe to be in the Biligan, the Toga and the Tokoro Urinko, Uringana Inki. Serikali again ndio kukora iguria manganai na ekinda kwanenga ande ekichinchiwo nekemo kiabo kibintu biritoga ndio kukora ndio kiki kuringo ibune kamiti kumanyana kinga omochenu bolibi birengo bilibitakire osebikira nite ngokora kana bire ase bichinchiwo bito ase kinyitari chito ase chichiro chito ose ate chinyomba ose asobo menyi bire
akini ndo mheshimiwa kwa around among the chinchio negative. I think Muna a Germany in step Kiwa Tekiri, Kiaran Quarry, and the Jamioka. And it's almost 1 week and step Kiwa corridor. Monawana watch it, I say, after night we're taking it to Karagasi, Kamuna Togete. Now you get a core APCD.
Because Kiara ile chia tu ageto
ndio maana ditanga ni tigante wenga inchira nito ko imirimo na batoko nyana mangana ya kuitira public interest yani nga abananchi baruringana gete ili attract public interest ni kike mukyabo ekindi ngoitira a petition inga abantu bache abari public ba petition ya simply ekoriyento kiki erigireri osirinko ri manganayo lakini goetra linga ne rike byachite ne committee we were aware of it we picked it up na ndi chinchiranchire togo kore mirimo osechi kuringana na machiko aliyabikirari ekombiye gukora ande nabota atebenga usinkwo abaroche bamyegeto cyari erasimo tuchakiritanga ninga inkikia wenderete kokorwa segendo kiki segichinchiki na ari ya kore kikire usimbe cyane kiti kore kiraro igobuna ngukwana bonega nga e committee negende tekurigiye mangana neke report ya toke
so mheshimiwa aso kwana kene I think your powers mune service board committees under section 13 of the service county assembly act your powers immediately ke kwanyorete report yana egijinjo nege chafu step kigwa tekiri ose na inu modele komuna the last house ya rueta etare go take action kaya receive messages from the public.
That is very true. Gante wenga as I've already mentioned ingana ki once ringa de ya chite as a public intune committee ntu ali mugiti no ne witiri kwate kigwegena ebyo tukachaka okoro bulinkori nga esemi cyane kwate kigwegena ari bonna ikire batebanga bolitari bulingori tuango kwa litukirime bako ikonde ngento tuatage tukomanyanga the root cause ya mangana yangi tukiki ngiki na ndekere turakore tuarikiri report yito it will be a public document egere momanyanga
so you are still investigating
precisely yebo
Dani
now, so Mr. Soro, before you go there, yes, you must take a is there any money allocated to do even if it's renovation or so have you in chira allocated ya sege chinjo tiato specific asege chinjo tutaracha mangana because na mange kisiwe chiko ndichani yake rango cha koje town ma kisi university or ndega kisi university weekend ndio kwenye labai go
bakomulevuka
so is there any allocated money to make changes as a surgery?
One, when the whatever in the first place, ni jukumu the county assembly wakikishanga abananchi babinde essentially wendete. So the issue of whether there is money or not that is not a discussion. It is upon the responsibility ye county kuhakikishana na ki ebintu biri wenelete gukorwa isaba na inchi bikorete bibaro. So ese amangana ye chinchio be saying anaki, one, this is not a project that is being undertaken now. And I guess in Nuguna Valari, Gerta Magana Chincho, and the Mwana and Yiguchi, Muchimaega. A unta Terenga, I cannot authoritatively say how much those was allocated in what in that Chincho, correct? Essentially when asking whatever Kerala Navating into the and they get to best how much you got it and then Bakaski I got to which arrow 90 in 1 year as it took a century when it went to take responsibility.
You promised your people and you talk on the one, maybe to be very account.
Yes.
Even they know we were the Kurmayaga. Kera with the Kurmayaga. Wagen the Turu, Nechi financial years, just Pigocha, Matrine, quality say mistake here, Bonagamuna, I won't one a German, ya Earth. I think no money teach was just picture where allocated as Earth. Tamabona by now, again, the way I go to explain no machine Naki, Chibasa, not checkiri. Chinchona Matthews Chiaveta located because I give to that docket. One not in a position of explaining the people of Kisi County residents. Chincho, Chivas Chiluinich. One of the next two Kumajas Chiaveta located. And by now, Tamanoma.
No, it's possible. Nimo. Because this is a new officer.
As a department, there is a difference between Inkitokurigeri in terms of Chincho Panfano. Chincho itself does not fall in the department of health. But among other Chenu Asegi Chincho, I took on public health. Now, I in the kick. I in get it, it's a department.
Yeah.
You go that table, and Oyo Mindoro Kilonganaki. Egasiano Koreanaki, I say infrastructure Chirano, be Tangan, in Chiro City, Kulingana, Neri Chikoria public health. Area Kabiri, regulation Yamachikaya public health. Now I followed a Chinchi, very in operation. Lakini amangana yo kuaracha ege chinchio renovate
it's not ego cha imenichenu raza na health
I think what I know, if I'm not wrong, Chivasa charity, HBK camp.
Yes.
Yo, I say chinchio kego talk.
Yeah.
Yani ege chinchio it comes in as from the side of health view.
From the health view, what we look at the health hazard that comes by the fact that we have such an establishment.
Right.
Ekerege chinchi kiraro nkinto impact yayo chisaba na ichi goze surrounding area. Ngibwadeti amachiko aliyo bochenu ase kulingana na amachiko public health.
Okay. Mheshimiwa, eliyo na kwa rage ndege komnyokorova. Kuachire mpaka alikuwa ni chinchi kile the condition is this. Ama kwanya kuheta goche ose kwatumira members bali ba mo kana baro kwa batanaki is investigation is part of the investigation mwachiro kwarana bolina ki abananchi abate is this the position waikiro
good ngana ki ekera mangana ya chete once na bakachi toliba.
Yes, we are all residents.
Ego ntuli bagani uchiguse se kwende
Ntoma tenga nege chafu
confirm nege chafu
and ntoma tenga nege chafu. Yeah,
this is not something you can hide.
Right, no.
If it is not right, it isn't. The question now we want to establish ingike korete keberete kicha
Yep.
Kayi totally go kora une korete
Which office is not working?
Mo totally go kora minimizing ingike korete kuendelete. So as the question whether it is dirty, that can only be this
morning,
are you aware that you are something located? Or just a chincho Chiri? 2013-2014 financially.
Precisely. Like you
can you confirm that you are something like financial years?
Like you thought Ananaki, Amangana ya yo is different from what we find our facts.
from the
buna nabatelinga asi nyumba yokorose machiko amangana narora kubwatinga rules and procedures na ndiko tabalinga ini nyumba ya machiko na inde ya facts timai tuna nabiginga nili inga kende kensio koleta because inchino mwa ichorere ekerenda atendente bigenteke that I can stand for it and it can be proved because abantu bako kiyegena nabangi kiyegena inchino murai intebe igo elazima uburingo nakorere na enda abantu barenge ngentekino bumaine obumaine ngana abangi igo elazima to those particular facts
na enda na donarari a contract nero already yakane chiwa setarande erosie kwende are you aware?
Yes, that we have had, but I cannot. We
can't.
That I hear
verification
is part of the information we've had.
You know, no, mind na. Aye, muna inua besmia wali mule gali ese kama assembly to choda te. Mate egashino for implementation, registration, and oversight. What trust? Bueno. No tebe ekera poigule e contractor nerero ya ruetu. This is again they go for on your docket. Danyo tete wanda tumate contractor boli. Eire enyong ekwenderia rosi paka bono tranya man.
Di tanga nitigante be na ni nyero langa na ki. Amangana yo wagachi ose infrastructure tali go forest department health. Amangana to kulikiri no bolingoli wa health asili chinchikyo. Lakini in the process yo korabu una dinaba tena ki ekerata atkumenga ege chinchikyo to kirike safi. Di tanga ni asiki intubwate ababisa ekurisa ide turagen naki ba health ekere bakora inspection is there somebody wait agali mambi or start fire inyameringa nere when let them abantu bakoli ekere aguchiaro does you observe that that's what we want to look at in the committee omuntu teneta mangana public health inki what action according to kit atake so was it because the far we can do as a department and to expect it in any public health officer no go seek it so then once we are seeking the relevant committee
public health officer Dr. okay a public officer of Kisii County no matter no likile severally echinjugere sieko lakini the way geko igurundu banyiti. Are you aware of that?
Precisely. I'm not aware of that. And when he carried when you appear before the committee, because who takes responsibility? Officer who have here na take ikitambo kuligete igana aidiki na kina kolete manye namba robe tu aligete na araya lakini njira kigorire aidiki kolete because ngechinji kira asieko na ndiki goru with the same person or clean bill of right inga this ngechinjo one kia when ile kore korimiro.
All right, because ndo tenga we are running out of time engane nde tokarata chigali county ambulance. I don't know. Are they working?
Well, yeah. The idea the ambulance was a fantastic idea.
Very true.
In terms of where we came up with it and visualize about it. But the question to when the way how it is handled and done is never a great discussion. It is not whether it is right. Newe netoko bano na ndege ndikia kiageranga ngokonya kire ese binti bingi wetani abukore kabita akorete bitarengalo na nuna kwa ngo ngumane ejiambile sinchirano I am aware that they should be 8. That is, they should be 9. Kiri sub county when go to area ambulance but I am aware as a chianga there are only 6 which are in operational.
No.
So out of these okay, again don't get to the area bolia banta bangina naki. Nkonyorore onye bakari kuri cosmetic check onye bakari kuri losing cash ebinte bigera biko onye 5 years ba tabanga ebinte bigera wecha ko in operational 5 years ekere ya tokyo ngende ya korere ngende ka se 1 year kia korere gwende kia sare kire kia rura se kia rego kolega how do you handle that like mono specific to specific as chigali mono nchiro chitali mono chitali asegas lakini nchire counted nana ki njia onye chialenge hired osonye chiagore tu already even they will be signing aki these vehicles are 9 and they're supposed to operate within the 5 or 5 years, for example. So how are you supposed to handle that? Or how are you supposed to fill the gap?
Well, the tangani, mwezi kumanya mangana insurance, ambulances. The tangani ekere county ya chagite, you that which I was not then the legislator.
Yeah. By then,
by then, they come with that idea, and they were actually leasing vehicles to Red Cross. They were not owning chikari chiri. They were actually leased from the Red Cross. And then they get this, and of course, Wakacha one Maya, Ekere Act, Yaitu, Kisi Emergency Services Act. Here, what were an act, an emergency fund, you go to the ambulance services, which is part of the objective you are giving. Ekvakaringa toisiku twala chikali chito era reduce chipesa chiwita bichitogora towaka na ucharalia which is the Red Cross kiagale simbianga kwenye bako na Red Cross they learned best practices bakegeli wa staffs leo kwenda bakegeli amangana ali how they are able to do their services effectively one omenga we are now already kokora kubora chikali chito tokoyende kiki to manage and that's where you see now currently oseke bakachibona then they bought ambulances chile owned by the county government.
County government of Kisi, chigari 10.
Yes.
Ambulances. Chigari 10, chigari chilo baretifu. Bona ila, chigari. Haya, chigari ikwasa ibera chiko kalega. Haya, kama namba registration number 45 CG 002A. By the way, area ambulance area. No kwa na binazo. Umora no kungaire. Egari ira asiokara no kugori okobogori chinyeni kurwari market okoba abana bo muntu gete. Ko ile ko tabane school como drop asata gete kogenda. Egari ikiri takiri egari yakitari te kogora teyo. Na muntu oyomo ogokora dispatch. I don't want to mention him. Umeshimwa enda kwa investigation otaina ki is it true egari eri ige gutumeka ase biashara binga munebe
ndio mbona sana asi biashara binga na arorire egari bune yo mitakwa nire which I've just had ne social media nga ne kokora magaranga munaye lakini yendo ngira kemonta itokotebya baminto responsibility okora oversight tereti ase abajumbe bali ukatachorete when egari ye kubugori umwana guzi chingini chikubondi cyangu tari cy'umuntu n'abantu kubori ari se kurukuru abakaje abantu bararo baro chingini ya serikali erikire nka account government ebwate number plate account government erikire nka ambulance na ndi barora chingini chigokora chikubigo chimega na baro barigire bakora batigaro that way we encourage mambi uriyo chitakobori chingini yakanga ndochi bana bongo bugoli mambi kubori ya matoke abekimi
kono ngo kirara makara
no we need to talk it at a point of action ngana ki iliate ne ningani kiagera aba kuri imirimo be county aba liki babo uzabantu bako bakana bana inji kiagera nabo bako ruswe banko kibese cyacho bakora ki bawakana bona lyacho tenenie egari ubugoli kingi ayiko mubori ore naki kiagera na mambi naye ngoboro murwire utakyambese iki nkolengere yoringa ande ninje nali ngumurwire bona nekingini kubugoli lakini terache kuburi murwire so we must erasma tutinenia manganali ali saberire body driving ekoko kwa ngiri gendo kike
mandaraje ni swali ndio mwiso #karugira VOVTV Kenya @mumani_janai @VOVTV Kenya nyoranga na wakaenda kutubwate @Ben_Ongiri @Thompson Osoro ajine tutira handle yabo gose as Facebook fan page yaito Voice of Victory TV. This one your voice. No.
No, gracias. Au mheshimiwa. Ndio tukua neke. Na kutoa tiki question hii. Tukua neke na morali. Swali, by the way, chigari chia chetete. Chigari bono chigo operate. Echiro se no whatever 6. Chigari chinde 4 ngaichire. Because these vehicles they are insured comprehensively. Egari kia gule ebwana wakan instantly. What happened? chikali chabere for almost 2 years and chitayo muna bono omweshimiwa la timitario egali ya monero I think I'll have forgotten his name is ya roseti ya wet ekarosigo ebekira alia in Australia umuntu agacheto anyagire for 2 years anyebegete se container ini etanya gwaka nditeni ya rosereti omweshimiwa are you aware of that? Another thing, egali ndebere gwetali, but the group kolgere egali tisali getimono, negente kunire maegaga, ebwene koros kuno elmuyambiri, egali rosigu echekonya wananchi. Are you aware? Chigali chinchiro, echinde chirichire moirali. No, not that no mbe in a position of experience. What happened? Chigali chigwete Johnson and Jones, chigwete chikowo.
Biyamoro sana, litanga ni buna nate bego ya mangana ya ambulance services. Une committee and mbiyanya tebega say media na. It is something that we are actually on course. We are also working on it to realize why are we getting it wrong.
Yep.
Esa mangana ambulances. Na go kiringa ukwani na mangana nga ekiriga ya wuri. Why total correct yango mangani ga private. Will it being a atango no economic? So where image and economic onye yawa ebintu to kuliki ne committee njabwate insurance he say onye njabwate why such onye njabwate inkita economic itatwa because really the way government properties or equipment they are handled, there's a lot of carelessness. Na nenda thing as a chair that we need really to change. That there are some things now to when the one of take responsibility. In Chibune chair, take responsibility of my office. Or you what in the ambulance is let him be tasked to go take responsibility. Because we guess Kilomonta now when the Golia Mangana never to go, never the insurance, Yakan on time, Yagure, never the correct quick one.
Like in Roger was Nigeria, Sword, you got Ginger against Sword.
That is why we are looking at.
It's the government.
The information, yes, it could be that it wasn't insured, and some of the information it wasn't. But we establish the real facts. The next thing they call insurance is here, then to my correct.
All right.
The year minute just account. That is the position. Not ambulance in Jirin Sword. Chiawa, Egaliaga to Yamusiabe Quali. The year minute Nagari, Jirin Sword. Chibasa Jin Swalens in Tibekira, Naijigotia.
So people must take responsibility.
Okay. So we are chin someone Jomoya VOV Egenege Karogia VOV TV Kenya. Director Kerana Taralia, Ekanarkuya Mangana Yochenu, in general, as a Mucho Kisi, Eka no Tokora Mangana. And obviously PHO. On TV, Bono, and as a director. Application CC, a county
minister for Eddie.
A minister, Mwaziri, Odinda, Okaragan the game. Nani, before, apart from Sarah, there is another one in charge of health. I recall. So what happens? Instead, moko open up. Because in Tunava on the ground, in get progress. Information from given docket.
One, and this is where I say to change. And I want to speak this one as a kissy. We must start learning to be accountable as a creator, as sounders to correct Tory. When I chairman, take responsibility as a committee, as a chairman, and the committee to take responsibility. Maybe to correct. On your no minister, I take responsibility. On your montoget, on your no yoga, I take responsibility. But in the Chinese, which have sometimes in Kumira, a Kiagara. on the total information because the public is entitled to information.
Very true.
It is their right to get information of any kind and from the right offices because it's public. You go nganga muntu tayo ndubes ogwende gukolina oso ukani gatonyora information gete olwase gete kyagane yita.
Au mheshimiwa
Sawa.
Tutara musakura ndo jego tamboka tore kuru nyagitari. Issue nere ya NHIF. Every financial year ndoche 45 million chikuruwe. Chitakeire abantu gete bakubana kuna chiro insurance. Abaga kaba gotu balia bla bla bla. Chibese chibono mheshimiwa ayu awena chibese nje chikuruwe chitakeire abantu gete bakona chiro insurance batanya kuna chiro. Esekisi account lakini chigosoka ngai chigocha. Are you aware of that money?
Again, it's good to go stick to my department.
True.
National Hospital Insurance Fund. Yes, it's an insurance fund that caters for Namangana.
That's it.
Lakini, as a county, that work they go fall in my committee. And I will tell you right now, it falls under the committee which allocates that is the culture, that is the Committee of Culture, Youth and Sports, which looks for elderly people because one of, I guess, the trade scheme, which I just read, that act here, I did to assembly, when it go abantu babetinya areti abagatu Kobaketa for National Hospital Insurance Fund, and that comes from the Committee of Culture and the Department of Culture, Youth and Sports.
Okay.
You want to think good about authoritatively.
Yeah.
You go to and then the right department.
Okay. So, nataka nyumotara soko mheshimiwa. Akantonga ka tuakembe style geteiga igoro yabashimiwa mwabaye akakugeteiga kanyere. Mugama chikote banga kero kende
Mutete ko
ibije speaker ya national ya county assembly. What happened?
Ana Obama chawara to mai.
What happened?
One, I must say, our work is to do oversight. And the oversight is not limited whether it is in the assembly or in ISCO. So if there is a problem, would we sit and say we will not do it?
But this is, you know, what comes to people's mind, like Koyo to get ready Boniga. Here in Nanaki, it's only 3 months in office. And there is a time, you guys were taken to Mara. That time, you guys never complained. Is it? But now here you come, bring this same person. Ojakiro kokora mangana getata you. So inki kyo jakiaba ngai mu abajanera in this where
balance ya the
itanga ni kwenda tanda na ki egasi ito na twate wa oversight nege nteke wo chaka ukirikireri alise amakosa akoriki atukiraro igobona tokote banga igoro onye kware tetumusubati nyumba ole ngumuya rero kwa runo suri mutwate bitinga tongo abu no uchaga kumubulira naki kecheche tarikia nani kichiko kora hindu chikobere ngichi igo I think kuna abajumbe we ntoba sikurikira runga is it's about mangana exercise each pesa what we want and let it go open here. Let every person or you emeremo announce achake ko limeme winchire ko teki lakini nteba nga entote go sira even what is wrong. And that's how we encourage impunity. And that's why I think on your mouth makosa. If the speaker has the makosa, let the right action be taken. So we shouldn't be looking at onye tuachite man what we can't ask. No.
Oh no, ocho kurigere munyakero goino. Ocho kurigere munyakero goino. No arenge of course. Oh no, munyakero goino.
Asani ngoje.
Munyakero goino Evans Mugoro. Ekama kase konte. He was the former deputy speaker of the county assembly of Kisii. That time, Munai were complaining again. The Nandaka was this guy, speaker and county assembly, including his son. Where did that come in?
By the way,
from what angle did that came in?
By the way, because you are going to service board.
You know, Andrew. When Andrew came that position. Actually, it's the county assembly that was there then
Awese wa
that
Smokora
vetted him to get to that position. Of which even Smokoro is the chair of the Resistance Now organization of the was the deputy speaker of then. So why now and not then?
One, when I know Tevanga, Tinte Tiwana Mangana previous assembly. What speaker away previous assembly, and Maneganga, Esi Nubil Yamachiko, again the Korean is by true voting. Voting. Inga, Nabora Akichura, Nabora told a descending voice, I can take the day, but you will have registered it, your descending voice. Lakini Tinta Itukwana, because Tinkomanya, which side of it, as I call it, is I.
Lakini Amoshimiwa, Elimwa Kachikura. Mwalinga wena every officer ya county assembly no mwana kombo. Mwalinga we.
One, I will not say ngantu alenga where because one, tarikiro mujumbe abajumbe abacha we just came the other recently. Igo mangana yubulingo manyango ya sigete etiare nginga.
Akimishime de kya mnyagete.
Okay.
There's something I need to tell you about.
Lakini obo bembororo mwana uli Andrew Kobera aga county assembly se adi officer wa advice ise obo bemboro. Because na aja kamunyo. Ni momorete to.
Litanga litigante bega. Ege ndongire kunga legal. Legally kero muntu nabwate kusuri bo koregasi andons. Na ende ichikondi yeri gobaite. Lakini ege ndongire tokoro kanga moral. What we call moral. That it is not a law. It is something that you yourself ayo mwenye okoranga ikinege nto tokorete kiwenete. So as koboringa na wenete, it is his right to work there. But the question we are asking also the question koboringa naki morally nege nto ekerongi. You know you leave it to judge.
Mwana uli Andrew igari getu 2014 ya.
Which is true.
Mwarete inu abeshimiwa baito. Mwamu bogoli mwamoreta. Bono na kyo mwana uli Andrew wao come in and again. Na kya agocha imebona. Na kya agocha mama nganaisa.
All right.
And by the way, we have no problem the legal officer in the assembly and that's where we to attend. You see, this is
why then no one
no,
the questioning him?
The question where is coming in Naki. This is the son and this is the father.
You need
and they have right to work. The question we are asking is the moral. And that moral, it is up to the two individuals to judge.
Ani mheshimiwa, mheshimiwa tena mbona mwamanyire na Kombo, mheshimiwa David Kombo na Andrew Kombo. Na isa na mbona mwamanyire? Mbona mwamanyire bona?
Mwanjo muligere ni karagia bio. I think we could have had time. Nego timo complain umuntu oruga Uganda Wales. Oche njiti ange ndege ime oika Nairobi. Au Nairobi oso Mombasa. Or Mombasa oso Kisumu. Or Kisumu or Mombasa. So which criteria was used to pick these MCAs who are going to the other side?
One, preparing the speaker of the county assembly of Kisii should be able to explain that thing, which criteria are going to.
Thank you. Karagia VOV TV Kenya. Kama mheshimiwa Benson Ongiri kurwase ward ya Gesusu nyoranga na wokoto nyorase amangana yasa online #egikaro ya VOV TV Kenya na tutumika @momanya_janai @VOV TV Kenya @Thompson Osoro @Ben Ongiri ekeroto pora esa uliyechiza
mheshimiwa daktari
yeah
ototakete mheshimiwa Gesusu ward ya yang otakire kobase kwende ya matukare mwino. By the way, otutete koraiga import eche to the public besa ile ngachi ya wetu isege chinjo contractor kyo yetu na ande weni na ande chiwa sandi chia wetu chia ambulance na kichikogwa nchia akanire ambulance na insurance ngitane wa kaniro two employment ya driver chiria na kia koletu mbarabia bale those people were they qualified kogandi chigarichi moto report hiyo iga ama NHIF you know go kana na kile docket ya NHIF money asa mantu walia bakotu
mheshimiwa 1 minute that is your camera ngane ya maso mwana jitokole gika
mema sana na go kile sana tu ana search kind of bit
yep
it is very healthy again to that go te bia ba minta ba kusi that a time has come kila omonto oire ejukumu andonsi achake okora emirimo yae kulingana negasi yakorete aire na accountability echakire kuri omonto kwa busansari mpaka sori igoro gaikaranze nganere director eyo enchire yoka that is how will help ekwende change na into baba na inchi ebintu mbere toko contribute kwa mfano bimabatenga oyalikire but into toko na twaru chibese chiri twareta ongeri yako ekwende ebinteka byakire bona ento masoko buri ibe lazima kiro omonto akore a play oversight yae usakoreri engane eri ndonge eri bwendete gokoru ngahita na mu cyane tukwate se county ya Kisii that there is a lot of privately all around a lot of and professionalism eraroro everywhere bono mpaka structures are not there, institutions are very weak and like institutions are weak and then that means there's a lot of loopholes chio kwa kindios bema sana.
Thank you ndoto kora nande to akagoje studio Tangoje studio. Toto engeamo na ngene studio. Abunonte tenge butorege karo gia VOV TV Kenya anande kero wikinga kiende na turanyar ko to torege karo kinga une gasto ko tukamangana so we mono. Turanyar ko to koretera buna abo korekana kurwa se ground. Mnitane ngoro kumanja nai yandra ko ba amo na VOV TV ko eranganero egete senna mbemo Kenya rekoba kegotena ase gusi amone chinse mochiria chiyeta naine. Asante sana. Asante sana.